Kaya nakapresente ang lahat ng operatiba dahil sa batas na Republic Act 9520 o Cooperative Code of the Philippines na ang primary voter nito ay si Kong na co-party list, tax exemption sa net surplus, tax exemption sa dividendo ng bawat membro, tax exempted din ang interest sa savings deposit ng bawat membro sa ating kooperatiba, tax exempted din sa governmental stock ang bawat loan transactions sa kooperatiba. Kaya tayo bumubuto ng co-party list para maproteksyonan ang
while addressing regional or local opportunities. Third, they must promote inclusive and sustainable development. On July 28, the 20th Philippine Congress opened its first regular session. On the same day, our priority bills were filed in the presence of Cooperative Legal State of the Nation Address of President Ferdinand. Our key legislative measures include House Bill 2412, mandating local government units to allocate at least 2% of their local development funds to cooperatives development. House Bill 2413, providing for a new charter of the Land Bank of the Philippines. House Bill 2414, providing for the continuation of unpaid interest, penalties, surcharges, and restructuring of loans secured by CDA registered cooperatives, farmers, fisher folks, and agrarian reporting fisheries from Department of Agriculture, Department of Agrarian Report, the People's Credit and Finance Corporation, CDA, private sector participation in agricultural insurance, amending Presidential Decree 1467. House Bill 2592, providing for the registration. We also actively engage with senators who filed their Senate bills revising the Cooperative Code of the Philippines. This is to ensure that the voice of our sector are reflected in their version. He is also a member of the following companies. Our office actively addresses raising cooperative concerns. For teachers cooperatives, we initiate
So yun lang, Mr. Chair, sana mag-comment na natin si Clary.
Your point of attacking, we will take a second look at the policy. My understanding is that the reason for this particular policy is that maraming mga fake cooperatives. And that's why we are sought to impose a team of members.
Mr. Chair, wala ang koleksyon yung individual members with regards sa mga sinasabi natin.
So, the point of our representative is para, we will take a second look at it and we will know your intention.
A significant milestone was defining the competition against the mandatory TIN requirement for cooperative tax exemption. Officially submitted on October 13, 2025 and the Regional Trial Court in Baguio City. Our party agenda is anchored on three pillars: institutionalizing legislative reforms, mobilizing government resources, and strengthening cooperative government partnerships. Aligned with this, Co-op NATCO party has facilitated national cooperative forums with the Department of Agriculture, Department of Trade and Industry, Department of Labor Employment, and Government Policy Board, benefiting cooperatives from Luzon, Visayas, and Mindanao. Our party elected new national officers. The party president is Wendell Amoronia. Our vice president for Luzon is Renato de la Cruz. For Visayas, Ibolito Bon Alip. And for Mindanao, Romeo Manzano Jr. The first regular National Directorate meeting and induction was held on October 9, 2025, administered by our former party president and now CDA Chair, Alexander Raquel. Learning sessions were conducted nationwide to strengthen party structures, review bylaws, discuss advocacy, partner cooperatives and reinforce program communities. Relief operations were carried out through our affiliates cooperatives and local leaders in Ilocos, Negros Occidental, Cebu, Davao, Masbate, and Catanduanes for communities affected by typhoons, earthquake, and volcanic eruptions. Through legislation, advocacy, cooperative leases, party programs, and organizational strengthening, the co-op and co-party list continues to serve as a true voice of cooperatives and companies. We remain committed to empowering cooperatives, uplifting communities, and building a better Philippines. Maraming salamat.
Alright. So, mo yung update sa ating mga kumatilis. Hoping na hindi mo kalimot sa gagawin dito. Salamat once again. May mga po na katanan.
Okay, kayong salamat Sir Bon sa inyong management report. O yan, kamo, okay ba mo? Gutom pa? Gibuka pa mo? Wala na, nakasnacks na? Nakakaon na ang tanan? O, kadyon sa friend.